How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use line smoothing in Krita. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that I'm going to do is to just move my text right here. And then let's use something like this paintbrush. And let's draw something really simple like this brush right here. So right after, as you can see with this specific brush, it's not going to be as smooth because the brush smoothing or the actual line smoothing isn't applied. So if you want to go ahead and do that, just head over to the tool option, and here you have your brush smoothing. You could use something like basic, weighted, or stabilizer. I'm just going to use stabilize right here. You have additional options that you could simply add it, but right now it's going to be a little bit delay because of this delay right here. But nonetheless, it's going to smooth out the actual line that we are creating. So let's go ahead and make this curve line right here. And as you can see, it's really smooth. And if we disable our stabilizer, it's going to be a little bit junky. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.